Couple deep breaths back here for me.
In his 30s, Seth Miller admittedly did not know much about his health. Then he needed shoulder surgery.
I had a torn labrum that was pretty bad. It's been torn for like 10 years.
To keep up with the doctor appointments, physical therapy exercises, and lab results that followed, Miller leaned on what he did know: artificial intelligence.
Using AI to connect a bunch of different data sources.
As an app developer, the 33-year-old used AI to create his own system to track his health data and develop a daily agenda based on recommendations from his care team.
Use it as like an understanding tool instead of like a total problem solver.
That's how patients should incorporate AI into the exam room, according to Dr. Ravi Tripathi, the Chief Health Informatics Officer at the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center.
To use artificial intelligence as another tool is going to make us stronger.
But a new Ohio State survey shows half of Americans use AI to make important health decisions without consulting their doctor.
The artificial intelligence doesn't understand your story.
The same survey finds fewer Americans are comfortable using AI in their healthcare today than they were in a similar 2024 survey.
It's showing that they are not following it blindly.
Dr. Tripathi recommends patients ask AI detailed questions using their health data and present the results to their doctor for the diagnosis.
You need to understand the entire story before you can provide a true medical recommendation.
Empowering patients like Miller to know their bodies better, which can lead to better personalized care. At the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, I'm Jessie Tenor.